In a quiet workshop, a celebrated esports gamer trades keyboards for anvils, trading virtual battles for real heat and sparks. Across town, the blacksmith shifts to neon glow, learning timing and teamwork through a high-stakes online race against rivals. They document challenges and learning patience, as both realize the invisible rules of practice and the value of tactile feedback. By week's end, they compare notes on focus, community, and pride, discovering skills transfer in surprising, practical ways. The episode ends with a shared experiment to blend craft and code, leaving both wiser about curiosity and growth.